I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch.
Hey guys, so this is my video teaching you guys how I do my little install. It's not perfect, but I just wanted to show you guys how I install my hair, especially us being home in quarantine. If you want to have a little Instagram photo shoot, you still can. So watch this video to see how to get this look. Okay, so I put my bald cap on, and now I'm going to take a scissor and cut holes on both sides of my ears so my ear can like be able to function and like not feel all weird with my wig cap on.
Choose your fighter.
So now I'm going to spray my Got To Be Glue Free spray. Basically like along my hairline and a little bit on my hair, and just kind of rub it in before I get ready to blow dry it. Okay, so now I'm just blow drying the spray in with my heat up so it can dry, well not dry, but work better. So now I'm going to be taking my little razor and I'm going to be cutting my bald cap as close as I can get to the hairline without it lifting up.
Choose your fighter.
So now I'm going to be taking some rubbing alcohol. I got this at Walmart and it's 90%. And I'm just going to clean up around the hairline where my wig cap is at, just so there's no Got To Be Glue spray over in that area. So now I'm going to be taking my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just getting a makeup brush that I don't really use to apply this glue. My bottle is kind of messed up, so I have to really like take the cap off and dig in there to apply it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and carefully apply this all along where the cap stops at, like on my skin basically, and kind of partially on the cap a little bit, but making sure it doesn't go on my hair. So now I'm going to be applying my wig. So basically I let the glue dry for a little bit, and now I'm going to start to put the wig on, but I'm not going to push it down yet. This wig is from Alipearl. I'm just clipping it back so the hair doesn't get stuck in the glue when I pull it to the front. I had this wig customized and installed and plucked and everything like that by the Glam Bar. If you follow me on Instagram, she pretty much hooks up all my wigs for me, and then I can just easily restyle it at home. So now I'm just making sure my clips and everything is together in the back, and then I'm going to start pulling the wig towards the front, being very careful. So now I'm going to begin pulling it down all the way to where that glue is, and I'm going to begin placing it and using my hand to kind of push it down in there to make sure the lace is sticking. I do have baby hairs on this wig, so that's the hair that you see kind of looking a little bit crazy. So now I'm going to be taking my finger and just basically blow drying, because some of the glue you could still see that it wasn't all the way dry. Again, I'm not perfect at installing, but I do a good enough job that you might see the lace a little bit, but it's not like, it's not yet. What lace? So now I'm going to be taking just a cotton pad and just cleaning up if there's any glue left in that area. And I'm going to be taking my Got2b glue freeze spray, and I'm not really laying my edges. I'm kind of just pushing them back so when I bring the hair down you can't really see them. So I don't even know what you call this, but like I'm taking this thing, like this black wrap that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm gonna just let that sit there. So now basically I'm just going to be spraying the hair with some water, and I usually part it into sections. I apply some leave-in conditioner and some curly smoothie, and I just kind of brush it out and get that all over my hair so it has that nice wet look, and then you can see how it looks when the hair is dry from when we first put the wig on. So now I'm going to be using my scissor to basically cut the black wrap off my hair. This is how you act once you get your hair done. You look poppin', and then, you know, you're not even going anywhere, but you look poppin'. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. If you watched my old video where I did like a fail install, you'll see how much better I got. It's not perfect, but we're getting somewhere. So give this video a thumbs up. I would definitely keep you guys updated with my progress. I'm doing my own install. I still have like trouble with getting the edges like to lay. Like, but I mean, this is so much better than before. Like, you gotta admit. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.